that 70% of car enthusiasts prefer the personalized gifts. As a car enthusiast myself, I know it can be really hard to find the perfect gift for us car enthusiasts. We wanted some personal, some really cool, authentic stuff, usually. So here are my top picks. Suggest buying this lovely rug from rug.jp, and this is design of a work vs KF. It's quite good and the quality is really good. Maybe you want this for your garage, home. Maybe the person you're buying the perfect Christmas or car gifts to, maybe into car care, because car care is always good. Or maybe if you like to showcase what kind of cars you like. I know that a lot of people are collecting. For instance, here we have the Jon Sebal, Tarmac Works, Skyland, GTA R32 Advan. This is a limited edition, but if you got the money and you know that your significant other likes a particular brand, just buy it, because I think this is really good value as well. Another gift, if you have more money, that will really be a part, something unique maybe. Why not get them some 3-piece wheels used? As you can tell, this needs some renovation as well. But if you can get it, you can actually buy some used wheels as well for bargain prices. So you can look up, like in UK, we have them this through. Quite nice with the prices as well. My bad, they are in Ireland. But if you want some used wheels, you can get a bargain price of it. So you don't have to splash out on a set of fake wheels. So if you have more budget, I would highly recommend this. And 100% your partner will like it if they like the design. Just ask them what they like. I would highly recommend this as well. This is so cool. If I ever get a partner, I want something like this. This is 100% on my top 3 as well. But what do you think? Do you think, buy some used wheels? Is that a good gift or Christmas gift for a significant other? And would you do it? Or maybe you might want to get some cool stuff for the coming summer maybe, and you want to show what you like as well. Here we have some really cool product as well. This is from rug.jp from Canada as well. So we got a really cool air freshener here. We got a really cool sticker as well. And of course this is really budget friendly as well. We got the shirt. And I love this quote on the shirt, also from rug.jp. There is no victory without hard work. And that my friends, that's so damn true. We have to work for what we want. And I work to be able to get work someday as well, despite me having the 3-piece wet wheels right now. Here we have another thing showcasing rug as well. So, of any one of my suggestions that I have made, what is your favorite pick? Let me know. What do you think? I think like the car products is always a good bargain. You know that you will use it since we are coming up for the summer season later on as well. I love the rug as well. It's so damn cool as well. And of course the car models would be on my list as well, because we car enthusiasts, someday we want a Skyline R34 maybe it's one of my dream cars. I don't know if it's one of your cars, but and we maybe not are able to get it yet, but at least we can wish that we have it and at least showcase it in our things that we like. So I hope you will like this and wish you all a great Christmas, Happy New Year, and if you're looking for something to buy for a significant other, a car enthusiast, this is my top picks. What do you say? Do you agree? Do you have any other suggestion? Let me know also in suggestion. If you are watching the whole video, comment Merry Christmas on this video, and we will be back soon as well. Don't forget the other videos that are coming after this, and take care. You are all amazing. Smile more, be kind always. Take care. Bye bye.